This is Omar, Lancaster Parts and Equipment, showing you the JCT brush cutter, which is a China-built brush cutter. I had purchased one of these for my farm, and within the first 3 hours, I had bent the blades and broken the bolt off, and that's what led us to making this blade for it. This is a single edge blade. We harden this blade. This is a hardened blade. We also manufacture this bolt, which we have a bigger diameter thread on the other end. They were breaking off at the thread. That was a weak point, so we manufacture this bolt as well. We are manufacturing the jumper plate. This is an original jumper plate, but we do manufacture a jumper plate, and we are working on manufacturing the connecting plate that has a spline on it that goes to the gearbox. So those are items that we have in stock. The other weak point on these is the Lovejoy coupling. They have a plastic Lovejoy coupling. We manufactured a chain style Lovejoy coupling, which holds up very well. We also stock hydraulic motors. This is an original. This is not one that we put on. And then we also stock the gearboxes. So you replace the Lovejoy couplings, blades. This is a great bush hog. It runs for a long time that way if you can replace the blades and the bolts. So check out our website, Lancaster Parts and Equipment, and we have parts online. Thank you.